Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a basket weave stitch. This creates a really lovely and soft and chunky loose pattern that's suitable for cushion covers, scarves and any sort of garments. So we're going to start by making a slip knot and our foundation chain. So we're going to make a foundation chain of however many chains you like, as long as they're divisible by 6. So any multiple of 6, plus then we add another 4 chains on top of that. So I'm going to make a chain of 24 and then add another 4 chains, so it'll be 28 in total. So make your chain of 28 or however many you need. And I'll see you in a little while. So I've now got my chain of 28. So our first row is going to be straight double crochets only. That's double crochet in US terms. In UK that would be triple crochet. So remember we added the extra 4 chains at the end. That is because our first double crochet we will need to start into the 4th chain from our hook, and that will then form our first column. So to double crochet we yarn over, count 4 chains from your hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now we're going to want to keep our stitches really loose. We want this to be a nice fluffy soft stitch, not tight at all, so keep it very loose. So for the first row just carry on making double crochets into each of the chains along your foundation chain, and I'll see you at the end. So I've completed my first row of double crochets, and at the end we're going to want to chain 3 and turn our work over. And now we're going to start our pattern. So as you can see here, I've got 3 of these posts that are prominent to the front, and I've got 3 stitches that are reversed. So we're going to start by making 3 front post double crochets followed by 3 back post double crochets for 2 rows. So to show you the front post, spread your work like this and you'll see this post here. So what we're going to do for the front post, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook from the front, go under this post like so, yarn over, pull through behind the post. We have 3 chains on our hook, 3 loops on our hook, sorry, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our first front post stitch done. So into second one, yarn over, again locate your post from the front, yarn over, pull through around the back, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and the last one, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through around the back, pull through 2 and pull through 2. So these are our first 3 front post double crochets done. Now we're going to do back post double crochets into the next 3 stitches. So the back post one, you yarn over, insert your hook from the back, go around your post like so, grab your yarn, weave it through behind the post, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You see I'm keeping my stitches really loose. So another back post 1, yarn over, insert your hook from the back around the post, grab your yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our second one. And another one, yarn over, from the back, round the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we've got 3 front posts and 3 back posts, and we're just going to carry on for the rest of our row. So on to the next front ones, yarn over, insert your hook from the front behind the post, grab your yarn, pull through 2 and 2, and another one, yarn over from the front behind the post, pull through, and a third one, yarn over from the front, there we are. Now 3 back ones, yarn over, going from the back around the post, grab your yarn, pull through. So first back one, from the back round the post. The back post ones I find a little bit trickier than the front post ones. Sometimes the hook gets caught on the way back like this. This movement is tricky sometimes. But if you keep it all nice and loose, you should be fine. So another 3 front ones from the front, nice and loose. And another one. One, 2, 3, and now 3 back ones. So from the back. Three. And again 3 front ones. 2, 3, and 3 back ones, and we're finished our first row. Now we're at the end. Now we want to now do another double crochet on top of our turning chain here. So just yarn over, go to the top on the 2 of the loops and just do a double crochet there. There we go. Now to get on to our next row, we're going to chain 3 and turn our work over. Now for the second row, we're going to repeat exactly what we did in the first row. So 3 front ones, 3 back ones, and carry on like that. After that, we're going to switch it up. We're going to start with the 3 back posts, but for the second row, we're still going to carry on starting with 3 front post double crochets. And now 3 back post ones. So from the back, nice and loose. There. So carry on like that, and I will see you at the end of the row. So I'm now at the end of row 2, and again, don't forget to do a double crochet on top of your chain 3 before turning your work over. So now I'm going to chain 3, turn over, and this is where we're going to switch the stitches. So you can see these front ones are now we're going to do back ones into those, and into the back ones we're going to do front ones. Now this will create this sort of pattern, fairly square. If you wanted your blocks to be more vertical, you can carry on. You can do another row or another 2 rows of the front posts if you wanted to. Similarly, I've made a little swatch here. If you wanted your blocks to be more horizontal, which I think I actually prefer, you'd be doing more front posts over less rows. So these are 6 front posts blocks worked over 2 rows and then switch up. So you can really play with this and make it look, you know, whatever you prefer. I think I prefer these horizontal rectangles actually a little bit more. But if you want to carry on as we are now, as in 3 stitches by 2 rows, now is the time to switch up. So into the front posts, we're now going to start 3 back posts for 2 rows, and then you'll switch up again. 3. And into our back posts from previous row, we're going to do 3 front posts now. So carry on like that. Hope this makes sense. Don't forget to make the last double crochet on top of your turning chain from previous row, and carry on with the pattern like that, switching up the stitches every couple of rows. I'll do some more rows and I'll see you in a little while. So I've now completed 6 rows, and you can see how the pattern is really starting to take shape now. It's reversible, so it's going to look the same from the front or from the back, and nice and stretchy and bouncy. I hope you got on all right with this and enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video.